plastic here.
Well, I have the honor of flying my doves today in Helen's memory. But before I just let them go, I'd like to share with you what this means to me. It's a symbolic dove release. It symbolizes something that has already happened. As we know as Christians, when we die, our spirit returns to our Creator. These doves will return home. Just as Helen has returned home, the doves will also return home. We're not just letting them loose in the wild. So we have one dove that represents her spirit, and then a dozen more as a flight of angels. Would you like to release the spirit bird yourself? I'm going to hand you the basket. Okay, and all you have to do is just open this up. Okay, pull it open. And I'm going to quote a Psalm 55:6. Oh, that I had wings like a dove, for then I would fly away and be at rest. Rest in peace, Helen. I may wait to go until the other ones are ready. No one wants to fly alone. There you go. Boom! They'll all join together.
How many times will they circle before they figure out which way it's going?
It's unpredictable. Sometimes they'll circle for a few minutes, and sometimes they come out and they're in a hurry and dart straight home. They know where they're at.
It's almost like they're released.
Well, you left the breadcrumbs on the road.
They'll come back around.
They're going to circle us for a while.
Beautiful.
They're looking for a ride back home. There they go. They're going to sing with us now.